Can you say or yum? Francois here, Chief Medical Exercise Specialist with the Pain Clinic. I just want to share a spicy salmon burger recipe with you as my barbecue is going on right now. Hey, it's a delicious alternative to ground beef and turkey burgers, and it's loaded with healthy omega-3 fatty acids as well. Best part, these burgers are meal prep friendly, which is awesome. They do keep in the fridge for 2 to 3 days, and if you want to freeze them, totally okay as well. All right, so what I want to say about these burgers is that how I've had them and will be having them is with a side salad for a lighter meal, but you can make it a little bit healthier or heartier as well by including some sweet potato, some quinoa, and maybe adding a few more veggies in there as well. And hey, if you don't love spicy stuff or the spicy curry, you could try the yellow curry paste. It's a milder option, but no less flavorful either. All right, where can you find this recipe? The recipe is found at theotherpainclinic.com, the website for the Other Pain Clinic. That's where it is, theotherpainclinic.com. I'll list it below in the description, comments, and that's where you could go, and it's on our blog page. All right, enjoy the recipe, and I'll see you in the next video.